What's going on, guys? My name is Jaice, also known as the Virgin, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're back with Bukkit 101 episode 2. So today we're going to be making a simple plugin that will allow users to heal themselves and feed themselves. And the objective of this tutorial is basically to show you guys just a small glimpse of what Bukkit plugins are capable of doing and giving you the idea of what commands can do. So what we're going to do is right-click New Java Project like before. We're going to name this one Medic Tube, and we're going to open this up, or right-click on it, go to Properties, go to Java Build Path, add external jars, craftbucket.jar, click OK. Then we're going to go to, in our source folder, New, Package, me.ralphus.medictube, right-click, New, Class. We're going to name this Heal Feed, and we're going to get right to coding. Now remember, you need to extend Java plugin when working with Bukkit plugins, because if not, it won't register. Control-Shift-O to import, and we're going to get right on into this. Now, remember what we did before was public void on enable, and we defined the bucket.getServer.get logger.info, and we put in our name, so medic tube enabled exclamation point, and then our command string, which, remember, I have an idea, or how I memorized this was I just typed it out a bunch of times and made random plugins for no reason that I didn't use, and that's just how I understood the memorization, and I started teaching myself how to do this. So it's public boolean on command sender command cmd string command label string args. There you go. Now within this, you have to import the command.command method, or import from Bukkit, and we can get right on started to coding. So we're going to define our command. So if command.getName dot equals ignore case, we're going to do heal. Then we're going to do this, and we're going to say if command dot get name dot equals ignore case feed, then we're going to do this. So these two contents are going to be very, very similar, or the contents of these two are going to be very, very similar. There's just going to be a few things that are different, and we're just going to copy and paste to be lazy and for the sake of time. So we're just going to do heal first. So we're going to define player as P, like we did before. So player P equals player sender, and that will now allow us to use P instead of player. So we're going to say P dot send message, you have been healed. Now if it's just in white, it's going to be boring, so we're going to start using chat color, or I'm going to introduce you to the chat color so you can use it whenever you want. So what you're going to do is, before the string, you're going to write chat color dot whatever color you want. For this, we're going to be using green, and then you're going to do a little plus sign, and there you go. So whenever we do that command, it's going to tell us in green, you have been healed. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to do p dot set health 20, and we'll get this little slash, but I promise you that is okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically, that's basically it for this. We can just say set the health to 20, finish it at that, and we should be good. I'm hoping I'm not forgetting anything, so we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste this here, and we're going to say you have been fed exclamation point, and instead of health, we're going to say p dot, get rid of this command here, p dot set food level, and we're going to set that to 20 as well, which I believe is the same string, and we need to go ahead and return both of these. Now, we don't really care if the console does this because we defined it as player, but we're going to go ahead and recall that method of checking real quick here. So we're going to say if the sender is not an instance of player, then we're going to say sender.send message, and we're going to say player only command try again in game, buddy. Go ahead and save that. Right click on our source file, go to new file, plugin.yml. Remember, the idea is name, so medic tube, the version number, or the version, which is 1.0, the main file, which will be the package, not the name of the class, so me.ralphus.medictube.medic, or heal feed, and here we have some type of error. Oh, we have to end this string right here, save that, and then add our return statement at the end. Sorry about that. Don't worry about this suppression error. You can go ahead and add the suppress warnings. It's not going to do anything. And get back to this. So once we have that, we can set our description. And it's going to be heal/feed plugin for Bukkit. And then our commands, which are heal. The usage is command. And the description will be heal yourself. Then we're just going to copy and paste this for the sake of time. Boom, boom, feed, and feed. Control S, right click, export. We're going to export it to the same location that we put our test in, but we're going to go ahead and edit the name as medic tube. And now we can go ahead and reload our server from before. So reload, and as you can see, medictube enabled, respawn. And if we type slash here, let's see if I can get shot by this guy. Okay, so I'm getting shot. So if we do slash heal, you have been healed and our health is now full. We're gonna sprint around for a minute to check and see if our food level is correct. Oh, sorry, there was a gnat in my face. I didn't mean to blow right into the mic like that. So, as you can see, we have one full hunger bar down. So, feed. You have been fed, ! And we are done with this episode of Bukkit 101. Next episode, we'll have something different, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Peace out.